Hello, welcome to my Trividya YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to we are going to solve one problem based on the concept finding equation of a tangent through a given point to a circle. So here we have to let me read the question first. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 passing through the point 1 comma 2. So here one circle equation is given and one point is given. So we can always apply the condition. If uh, a straight line is tangent to be a circle, so it has to satisfy the condition r is equal to d. So where r is the radius of the circle and d is the distance uh, of the straight line from the center of the circle. So from the given circle equation, the circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to 1. So from this circle equation, I can say that center of the circle is 0 comma 0, that is origin. The radius of the circle is 1. So it is in the standard format. So that is why I wrote the center and the radius of the circle. And the point P is given as 1 comma 2. Point P is given as 1 comma 2. So now I will assume that a straight line passing through the point 1 comma 2, okay, in this manner. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So the y1 value here is y coordinate of the point, that is 2. I don't know the slope of the straight line. Let me write m as it is. So x minus x1 is the x coordinate of the point, that is 1. So if you simplify this, multiply m to the x minus 1 mx minus m. So this will be y minus 2. So it will be mx minus m. So minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So let me rewrite this. So mx minus y plus 2 minus m is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the straight line passing through 1 comma 2 and having slope m. So I don't know the value of m here. So I'm going to apply the condition to find the m value, that is r is equal to d. So I have to find, I know the value of r already. So I'm going to find the distance from the center of the circle to this straight line mx minus y plus 2 minus m is equal to 0. So if I apply that, so r value here is 1. So the distance d is equal to mod of substitute 0 comma 0 in the place of x and y in the straight line expression. So I'm going to get m times of 0 minus 0 plus 2 minus m whole divided by under root x coefficient from the straight line, that is m square uh, plus y coefficient value is minus 1 whole square. So if you observe here, one transpose this denominator to the left hand side, under root of m square plus 1 is equal to, so we will be getting mod of 2 minus m. So what we have to do is squaring on both sides. So by squaring on both sides, square and square root gets cancelled on the left hand side. We will be getting m square plus 1 on the left hand side. It will be 2 minus m whole square on the right hand side. So 2 minus m whole square. So expand this 2 minus m whole square on the right hand side. We will be getting 4 plus m square minus 4m. So m square plus 1. So if you observe this, m square and m square gets cancelled. So plus, okay, we are going to get plus 1, plus 1, plus 4 gets cancelled. One more 3 will be left here. So 3 minus 4m is equal to 0. So 3 minus 4m is equal to 0 means 4m is equal to 3. So m value is equal to 3 by 4. So let me write m value. M value is equal to 3 by 4. Actually, the point 1 comma 2 lies outside the circle. Point 1 comma 2 lies outside the circle. X square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. So how I can tell that is uh, I'm going to apply the S11 condition. X square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. So for this, the S11 value is S11 is equal to substitute 1 in the place of x and 2 in the place of y. So it will be 1 square plus 2 square minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. We will be getting S11 is equal to 2. So S11 is greater than 0 actually. So from this we can say that from this discussion we can say that a point lies outside the circle. Point lies outside. So if a point lies outside the circle, we can say that we can draw two tangents to the circle, but we are getting only one slope value. Okay. So what is happening here? Let us understand from the diagram. So let me draw the circle equation on the coordinate axis. So this is the coordinate axis. So let me draw a circle. So this is a circle. Assume that this is a circle with the center 0 comma 0 and radius 1. Okay. So this is the point 1 comma 0. So this circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to, so this point will be 0 comma 1. So if you observe the given point, so it will be somewhere here. Okay, 1 comma. So I moved 1 unit along the y-axis from this 1 comma 1 point. So it is 1 comma 2. So if you observe, I can draw a tangent in this manner, and one more tangent is this only. Actually, we are getting a vertical tangent. For a vertical straight line, so there is no slope defined. There is no slope. Okay, so slope is undefined to the vertical straight line. Okay, so that is why I'm getting only one value of m here. Only one value of m here. I'm not getting the other value of m. So whenever you are applying the condition r is equal to d, so you should be getting an equation, a quadratic equation in M. So instead of we are getting only a linear equation in M means, so by default you understand that. So the other slope of the other tangent is not defined. Okay, just take the other tangent slope as undefined and find the straight line passing through that vertical straight line passing through that point. So the vertical straight line passing through this point is actually x is equal to 1. So this will be the other straight line, other tangent equation. Okay. So the one more tangent equation will be with the slope 3 by 4. Okay. I'm going to find the equation of that tangent. Okay. So now let me use the y minus y1 value. Y1 value means y coordinate of the point, that is 2, is equal to m. M from the above discussion I got it as 3 by 4 into x minus x1 value. X1 value is 1. So that is the x coordinate of the point. So simplify this, transpose this 4 to the left hand side. 4y minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 3. So 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is one equation of the tangent. The other equation of the tangent is x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So let me multiply expressions to these two tangents. Okay. So I'm multiplying 3x minus y 4y plus 5 to the x minus 1. Let me write that 3x minus 4y plus 5 multiplied with x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the pair of tangents equation actually. So let me simplify this. 3x into x, that will be 3x square. 3x into minus 1 minus 3x. So now minus 4y into x. So minus 4xy minus into minus, that will be plus 4y into 1 4y. So 5 into x 5x. So 5 into minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. So if I rewrite this equation, that will be 3x square minus 4xy minus 3x plus 5x, it will be plus 2x, and plus 4y, the constant term minus 5. Okay, so this is the pair of straight line equation. So I can find the pair of straight line equation by default with the using the formula s1 square is equal to s into s11. Okay, s1 square, that is the pair of tangents equation. S1 square is equal to s into s11. So s1 square. So s1 expression will be x into x1 plus y into y1 minus 1 to the equation x square plus y square is equal to 1. So this is the S1 expression. For this, we have the square. So is equal to S expression will be x square plus y square minus 1 into S11. S11 means x1 square plus y1 square minus 1. In the place of x1 and y1, we have to substitute 1, comma 2. So why? Because x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 2. So x into 1 plus y into y1 value, that is 2, minus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 1. So this will be 1 square plus 2 square minus 1. So plus 1 square value is 1, minus 1 gets cancelled. So 4 will be left here. Okay. So 4 will be multiplied to this side, entire expression on the right hand side. So now I will expand this according to the formula a plus b plus c whole square. So a square, that is x square, plus 2y whole square, that will be 4y square, plus 1 minus 1 whole square, that will be plus 1. So plus 2ab term, so that will be 2 into x into 2y, that will be 4xy plus 4xy, and 2 into 2y into minus 1, that will be minus 4y. So 2 into x into minus 1, that will be minus 2x. So which is equal to 4 times of x square, 4x square, 4 times of y square, 4y square minus 4. Okay. So now x square gets cancelled. 1 x square will be left on the right hand side, and 4y square gets cancelled. And by rearranging the terms, I may get 3x square. I will get 3x square. Okay, you just transpose all the terms to the right hand side. So I left with 3x square on the right hand side, and 4xy comes to the right hand side. It will become minus 4xy, and minus 2x is there, comes to the right hand side, it will become plus 2x. So minus 4y will be transposed to the right hand side as the plus 4y. So minus 4 is on the right hand side. So we have the plus 1 transposed to the right hand side. It will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 4. It will be minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the pair of straight line equation. So I got from the formula, by using the formula, s1 square is equal to s into s11. So if you observe, so this pair of straight line equation, 3x square minus 4xy plus 2x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is also same. So what I want to say, what I want to conclude from this discussion is, so when you apply the r is equal to d condition to find the equation of the tangent to a circle through a given point. So if we don't get the quadratic equation, if we don't get the quadratic equation in M, so understand that the other tangent is vertical. So that is why we are not getting the M value. Okay, so we are not getting the quadratic equation in M. So in that case, you take the M is undefined and uh, find the equation of the tangent, find the equation of the straight line through the point, through the given point. Uh, uh, Vertical straight line, I would like to say vertical straight line, that will be x is equal to constant. That constant value will be the x coordinate of the given point. So after finding that, so that will be the equation of the tangent. So you can straight away go like that. So or otherwise, if you want to avoid that confusion, so you can always use the s1 square is equal to s into s11 formula. So you will be getting the pair of straight lines equation. Okay. So after getting the pair of straight line equation, we can factorize this pair of straight line equation. So that was discussed in the previous video. You can check that video also. I hope you have understood very well. So thank you very much.